Today we are going to learn how to mount a sliding type magnetic switch into the groove of cylinder barrel. This is the groove in the cylinder barrel. Now carefully unwrap the sliding type magnetic switch. Firmly place the sliding type magnetic switch into the designated groove of the cylinder barrel. Now gently slide the sliding type magnetic switch into the cylinder groove at the required position. Next, take a 1.2 mm screwdriver to tighten it securely in the groove. Be cautious not to over-tighten. By following these steps, you can effectively ensure your sliding type magnetic switch is perfectly mounted into groove of the cylinder barrel. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-3333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.